I want to warmly welcome all of you to the United Nations. As Enrique said and Stephen said, this is a very historic week. 2 days ago, the UN adopted the Pact for the Future, which is really a kind of a blueprint for change as to how the United Nations works, how multilateralism works, and how collaboration can make the difference. And that's the underlying theme for this forum, and has always been that you play with each other, you talk to each other, you do things together, and magic happens. And remember, you don't need to put millions of dollars to say, I'm investing in it. You can do it in small ways that can make a huge difference. Because when you do that in a small way, you might inspire somebody else who's next to you, your neighbor, your friend, your family, and they'll say, oh, I didn't know you were helping that particular village. And by the way, when I say that, help a village have a dispensary, for example, have new drugs. Because often in many countries, drugs are out of date. They're ineffective. We don't realize that. We throw away these things, actually, if it's a little bit out of date. So if we can find ways to help build that capacity around the world, and if you address the health SDG, you're addressing all the SDGs. And if you think of that concept, if a child is healthy, the child learns better, earns better, and becomes part of society. So we need to bring them into the fore. We need to bring young people into our side. And I want to wish you Godspeed in what you do. Take advantage of whilst you're here. Download the UN app. You can download the UN journal. You'll see what's going on. There are many exciting things going on. I spent 25 years at the UN. I'm still like a kid in a candy shop. So thank you. Wish you all the best.